I was so relieved to find out that a program like Soberlink existed. The consequences of my drinking were many, and they were significant. First and foremost was the consequence of losing trust in myself, my wife losing trust with me as well, and I also had financial consequences. I also had spiritual consequences, and it put my job at risk. While I was using, I had just gotten married, and within the first 2 months of my marriage, my wife had asked me if I could slow down, and I couldn't slow down. And I started to drink behind her back. I started to drink alcohol that had no noticeable scent, and basically living a double life. I also realized that my life was unmanageable. The acknowledgement that I was an addict and the recognition that it was real. Recognizing and understanding that over time my addictions had gotten worse, that it was impacting my health negatively, and it was going to ruin my marriage. I heard about Soberlink from recovery specialists at the rehab that I spent 38 days at. It was part of a relapse prevention plan. I was so relieved to find out that a program like Soberlink existed. I was really worried about coming home and having my wife be in the position of having to monitor in a very micromanaging kind of way my recovery. I didn't want her to be burdened with that. It really created some healthy boundaries for us and relieved her of being on recovery watch all the time, which gave her peace of mind. It was user-friendly, it kept me honest, kept me accountable, and I could conveniently integrate it into my life. And it was discreet, too. I've taken it everywhere with me. It's gone on camping trips, it's gone on holiday vacations, it's gone to Iceland, it's gone to Norway. It's been up and down the Pacific Northwest. Literally from the beginning, day one. I was pretty worried about the fact that I would be white-knuckling it and eventually I would find a way to drink again. With that taken off the table as an option, it really simplified my recovery, made it much more black and white. There was a point early in my recovery that I thought I was gonna have to use Soberlink for 10 years. And now I recently closed my account after 22 months of recovery. I trust myself, my wife trusts me. I've proven to myself that I could get through the worst of it, the hardest part, early recovery. And now I'm comfortable in my own skin, I'm not white knuckling it, and I've been able to graduate from it. So much of my life has improved since I got sober. My marriage has improved, my relationship to myself has improved, my physical health has improved, my financial situation has improved significantly, my relationship with my family outside of my marriage has improved, and I have clarity of mind and peace of mind that I didn't have while I was using. My advice would be not to hesitate and to see it as an ally. It frees you up from the worry of whether or not you're gonna drink or not. Go for it. It will change the experience of your recovery in only positive ways.